Haunted Hathaway.
Right now, we're going to give you our chant. All right?
The Haunted Hathaway's
chant. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I got nothing in my pockets but watches, lockets, and sockets. I'm taking out like a rocket. My people, they call me cosmic like Ali. I am the greatest. I am amazing.
Hey! I say hey! You say hey!
It's the haunted world, the haunted Hathaways.
Through the trap.
Oh my gosh! Should we keep them in the
Cheese!
I will now turn left and scoot away.
Hello, Trinity.
This book?
Ooh, sure. Nice one.
Yeah. Okay, kids, you can have a seat there, and I don't care where you sit.
This is the coolest restaurant I've ever seen.
I knew you guys would love this place, that's why I wanted to take you here.
But I thought it was Cat's idea to bring us here.